Wanna know how to check and get your daily login rewards in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends game and make sure you are logged in after the day has ended or after 24 hours the last you logged in. So once you've done that, you should be onto this interface right here. And now once you're on this interface, in the left side, you should be seeing this menu icon right here. This is the hamburger icon. This simply like that. And now once you have clicked this hamburger icon, here you should be seeing on the top left side, you should be seeing daily login rewards. If you don't find it, it should be somewhere around here. So you can just simply select it. And now here you should be seeing your daily login rewards right here. So you can just simply collect it and then your rewards will be granted for you. And that's it, as you can see right here. Now you can just simply log in the same way in the following days and get it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.